YouTube channel.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to test out the new world in Climb on Job. So I know I already started a bit, and I unlocked the Azure wings. I did it off camera, and now I'm going to show you guys how fast I climb. That's not very fast, but I just got gifted by some other guy the other day. So yeah. But I get so much money. I got 2.8 for if that's good. Okay. What bits can I fuse? Nothing good. Let's just follow. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.